designed for children, but actually I think this Arts for Kids publication is really for adults as well. Why not? There are huge jigsaws with 12 card pages of masterworks of the theme clowns. So we have Cezanne's Harlequin, Seurat's The Circus, Polichinelle by Manet, The Clown. I'm going to talk through the phone ringing here at bibliophilebooks.com. Pierrot and Harlequin, the Mardi Gras by Paul Cézanne. So we can learn a little about art at the same time as enjoying a little jigsaw puzzle with 25 large pieces, so ideal for older hands as well. It's only £5. It's reduced from £14.95 by bibliophilebooks.com.